Hi everybody, Amy again. I got a project share, but before I go ahead, a while ago I did a Daiso haul and I forgot I found this and I didn't show it to you. This is a stapler and I thought it was so cute. I love the color of it, and I haven't tried it yet or opened it, but anyway, I just want to show that real quick. Okay, I have another planner and this is quite large here. It's been a while since I've made like 3, so I don't remember what size this one is. So it's got to be about like a 6 by, well, probably the inside of it's like 6 by 8 or 8.5 or something. But anyway, that's it. And it's cats. This is all cat themed. I got some digital paper from, oh gosh, I don't remember where I bought it. Oh, well, okay, maybe I'll put it down below or something. Or maybe I'll remember. But anyway, I bought, it was a digital kit from Etsy. And anyway, I just had these 2 little cards left, and I just stuck them on front because it's quite large, and I didn't really want to, and of course it's laminated as far as that goes. And that's a bookmark with some cats. Let me show you. I just left it clear and just put some cats and I just stuck it in here because this thing is packed with stuff. So anyway, that's the front, and I did put a charm. It's just purple charm with an angel wing. I think it's an arty cake. Yeah, that's an arty cake. There. The angel wing, and then of course I just put the purple heart. I know you probably can't see. It looks like my lighting's awful in here. And I just put that on the binder clip. You can take it off because up there, you know, do whatever you want to do with them. Okay, so we just used a black elastic. Keep it shut. And like I said, this thing's loaded. And so anyway, I just left this all blank right here. And this is just a little book that I'll put in here. Just put it right there. Got a few little pages in it. And it's got some stickers on it, mixer stickers. And then this right here is just a little, so I think some papers I had left. I made a little short file folder. I just love this paper. Yeah, and I made a little folder anyway. There's a little card. And this is the kit, part of the digital kit right here. And there's some papers and some more stickers and some ephemera with the cats on it, and I'll just put some stickers in there. And this was the paper in the kit. I keep wanting to say Tsunamirose, but I don't remember. I really don't. But anyway, there's that, and of course paper clip. And then here's another, just a little folder with the measurement. Oh yeah, it's got the measurements in it. Yeah, 8.5 by 6.5. Okay, that's the size of the outside cover, and it's got the calendar that you know, do yourself. And I know it's got 13 months in it at least. Place notes and all that. So nice big size there. The back side of the folder, some little ephemera, and then I put this in there, just one of those magnetic things. I put it in there as purple, so I don't know. I just stuck it in there. Might use it for something. And then here's the dashboard, and just put some Post-it notes, and it's got some stickers on it. I think that was on it. And there's paper clip. with some flowers. I put flowers on them on the paper clips on both sides. So, and then this one, see, this has got the cat paper. Can y'all see the cat? There's cat face on it, on all of them. So anyway, that's what's in this book, or this insert, I should say. And then here's the back of the dashboard. Got a bow tie paper, or not a bow tie, but a bow paper clip. And then some more stickers here. And then you can label this another paper clip with flowers. And this is lined paper here. And then I put this in here. I was gonna make a cover, but it wasn't big enough, and I didn't want to throw it away. And I put it in here, and it's laminated, and I put it as an address book. And I thought, well, you know, you could take it out, use it as, I don't know, whatever, but it's in there with the address book inside it with the, and then there's some more stickers, and this has got pockets in it. There's one in the front and the back, and there's the pen, and there's a pocket here, and then there's another book in the back, or not another book, but this is for your computer, like your passwords and your web addresses and stuff. It looks just like your address book, except, you know, the information's different. And then I put that I made it right there, and a little sticker. And there's the back of it. I love this milk paper. And so anyway, that's that one. So, oh, okay. Okay, I may have to go back to this later. I got it. Okay. There we go. And that's that one. And then there's a little one. I won't really go through this one too much. Just real quick, because it's just I made it like, I don't know, just like something to put in your pocketbook. I made one for Christmas with your wish list and to-do list and stuff, and it's got some Christmas stuff right here. And then there's your dashboard. I love this guy right here, Steampunk Cat. And here's your first insert with the pink, and it's just blank pages. And the back of the dashboard with some Post-it notes. And then here's your next insert with your, it's got your calendar in it. And then your last insert, this is the paper from the DigiKit. And it's just blank paper too. And then this got a pocket here with a little, some ephemera. It says never trust a man who doesn't like cats. So anyway, that's that one. I just thought that'd be something cute. You could small, you know, put it in your bag or whatever. And then I got this one. I'll just do this real quick. Got a charm on it. I put a bead on it. And it's got the heart. I thought the heart matched that real good, and this did too. And I had that bead, and then I put a little, oh yeah, it's got a little flower on it. And I put it on here instead of putting it here. I mean, you can take it off, you know, because it's on a clasp, so you could take it off and move it. And I've done this one, everything's in gold on this one, so it's just got gold elastic and some ephemera, and the paper pad I used. Is the paper pad. Oh, it's antique. Antique Street. It's one of the, from Craftsmith, one of the hot buys. It's got some really pretty papers in it. Anyway, that's the paper pad I used. And it's got 4 inserts, and I put some of the cards in here from it. And little pom-pom paper clip, and then I put just a gold, clip, so you can keep your place for your calendar daily if you want to. And then just like I said here, this one's your calendar, and this one, I love this paper, and this one's just blank insert, and then here's the front of a dashboard, and this got I put pockets in it. So it's got 3 pockets, as you can see. And then here's a star paper clip. And then I had these, so I just stuck them here with an arrow paper clip. This is your folder here. And just put some of the cards out of the paper pad in here. And this, and I'm not going to undo it, you just take this off, and it's 3 of your, you can put your cards or whatever in here, your debit card, business card, whatever. There's a place for 9. So there's that. And the other side of your folder with some more memorabilia, or cards there. Another paper clip. And here's the back of the dashboard. I just put some Post-it notes and a bulldog clip, or a binder clip, and then I put the ink pen, and I have these gold ink pens, and I found these over Daiso. I think they're so pretty, and they write so good. They don't have them anymore, and then this is the back of the dashboard, and then this I made just for you to keep your place, in your book. And then the last insert, and it's just got plain pages, and then some more cards in the back. And I did not make this like for Valentine's, but I thought it was just kind of a romantic had a romantic look or feel about it. So anyway, that's this one, and that's the end of my project share for right now. And I may list these in my Etsy shop, or if anybody's interested, give me a yell. And anyway, I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.